ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Welcome everybody, we're up to episode 11 already of the series, and today we're going to make the Godfather. This is a really easy recipe to make. It's only got 2 ingredients. We've got blended scotch and we've got amaretto. Until recently I thought that amaretto was actually made from almonds, but it turns out it's actually made from the stones inside apricots. Bit of knowledge for you. Let's get mixing this drink. Big rock of clear ice into your old-fashioned glass. Then we're going to go 2 ounces of your blended scotch. Nice pop. We're using monkey shoulder today. Straight over the ice, 2 ounces. And just because I like my Godfathers a little bit sweeter, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of the amaretto. Glug, glug, glug. Lovely jubbly. We're going to give this a quick stir with our mixing spoon, just to make sure it's cold, chilled. Know what I'm saying? And then garnish for this one is a nice twist of lemon. Express the oils. Give it a twist. There you go, folks, the Godfather. Take a look. I already know what this one tastes like, so you're not going to get a rubbish review from me. If you like scotch on the rocks, try this. Just something a little different. Gives it a little bit of almond flavour at the end. And twist of lemon just brightens it all up. Delicious. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.